Subtitle Editor A. Simkin Corrector A. Egorova Friends. Hello to everyone. Today we are in the city of Ufa. The very famous Agrocomplex exhibition is held here. In the agricultural sector, we came here with our products, as our factory produces auger products for absolutely any purpose. Screws are mainly used in agricultural applications. We are represented here by one of the first booths. And you can see that we brought in completely different augers of different geometries. Brought their flagship machine here. This is the youngest model, which produces auger segments of absolutely any geometry with metal thickness up to 50 millimeters. And it is very pleasant that we meet our customers here, who come up and say, "Guys, we have your machine here, thank you very much." With it, we have a manifold increase in auger production. We started customizing them there, not just for our own products. Also saw companies like Steel Mash, GM Steely Mash, Saturn Agra here who are also working with us and came up, all thanking us for having them work with our equipment. It's also very notable that we brought along this here auger for the pocket dispenser. Many people say that there is such a problem in the market now that some of the feeders or harvesters are imported. They are American, European, and now spare parts for them are very difficult to get, especially some augers. They just come out there at cosmic prices. Well, accordingly, we have the opportunity to come to them, measure the screw, according to the parameters to produce an analog, which will not be inferior in quality to the original and is even likely to be better, because we make coils of any steel, any metal, and any thickness. We can even strengthen the design. Also, auger manufacturers who make their own augers for their own needs have been paying attention to our new equipment. It is a welding rotator, which is very convenient and speeds up production. Wondering, we have run out of all catalogs, so don't miss the opportunity to order auger products from us too. Everyone will be contacted at the links in the description of this video.